Drones are everywhere. Once a novelty, they are now a familiar sight. Businesses are using drones in new ways. This is just the beginning. Drones are about to change our world. Drones are like small helicopters. They fly without a pilot. A computer controls them from the ground. This makes them perfect for many jobs. They can go places that are dangerous for humans. They can also do tasks more efficiently. The use of drones is growing fast. More and more businesses are finding uses for them. This is creating new jobs and opportunities. The drone industry is booming. Drones are already changing how we live. They deliver packages to our doorsteps. They help farmers grow more food. They even keep us safe. Delivery companies are using drones to deliver packages. This is faster and cheaper than traditional delivery trucks. Drones can also reach places that trucks cannot. For example, they can deliver to remote areas or disaster zones. Farmers are using drones to survey their crops. Drones can take pictures and collect data. This helps farmers to identify problems early on. For example, they can spot diseases or pests. This helps farmers to save money and increase their yields. Police and security forces are using drones for surveillance. Drones can provide a bird's-eye view of an area. This helps them to track criminals and respond to emergencies. Drones can also be used to inspect infrastructure, such as bridges and power lines. The rise of drones is having a major impact on the economy. Drones are creating new jobs and businesses. They are also making existing businesses more efficient. The drone industry is growing rapidly. Thousands of new jobs are being created in manufacturing, software development, and operation. This is just the tip of the iceberg. As the drone industry continues to grow, it will create even more jobs. Drones are also making businesses more efficient. They can automate tasks that are currently done by humans. This can save businesses money and time. For example, drones can be used to inspect pipelines, power lines, and other infrastructure. This is much faster and cheaper than sending human inspectors. Section 4. The drone debate: privacy and safety in the balance. The rise of drones has also raised concerns about privacy and safety. Some people worry that drones will be used to spy on them. Others are concerned about the risk of drones falling out of the sky. It is important to address these concerns. Governments are working on regulations to ensure that drones are used safely and responsibly. For example, there are rules about where drones can fly and who can operate them. Technology can also address privacy concerns. For example, some drones are being equipped with privacy filters. These filters prevent the drone from recording images of people. As drone technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more privacy-enhancing features. Section 5. Needed or not. Weighing the drone's future. Drones are a powerful new technology. They have the potential to revolutionize many industries. They can also improve our lives in many ways. However, it is important to use drones responsibly. We need to address the concerns about privacy and safety. The future of drones is bright. As technology continues to advance, drones will become even more powerful and versatile. We can expect to see drones used in even more innovative ways. Drones are here to stay. They are already changing our world.